So you want to get started or restarted again and again with journaling. Sometimes getting started with a journaling habit can feel like a broken record where you try over and over and over again. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 tips to help your journaling habit stick. Hi, I'm Scott. I have helped hundreds of people start their journaling habit, ultimately leading to better productivity, better focus, and better mindfulness. I will be releasing tips and encouragement regularly on this channel, so please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so we can stay connected. My first tip for getting started with journaling is starting small. So many times you'll try to write 3 pages or try to write 5 pages, 45 minutes, or some lengthy period of time with journaling, and it just becomes discouraging. So start the habit very small. I would recommend 1 sentence per day on 1 page. Put a date, a time, and write 1 sentence. Make it an important one. Write something mindful, something about how you're feeling, something about what just happened, what's going on with you right now. But just start with 1 sentence per day, per page, and that'll be enough. If you were to make this on a regular schedule at the same time every day, say at your lunch break or first thing in the morning or right before you go to bed, that would be ideal. Second tip is about goals and accountability. It's really best if you commit to writing. Commit to a schedule, make a goal. Many people will use a habit tracker to mark the day that they journaled, and they get a month view of how many times they journaled in that month. Looking for triggers, looking for things that encourage them, looking for reasons that they journaled or didn't journal, and trying to make improvements each month. Tip number 3 is to take your notebook everywhere. It makes journaling so much easier. There are many different notebook sizes. You've got pocket size notebooks, A5 size notebooks, composition notebooks. They all work, but the one that's with you is the one that works the best. I have a friend of mine named Kyle. I work with him. He carries his notebook everywhere. It's about this size or maybe a little smaller. It's very thin. It's like a Japanese brand. I think the name of it means nothing. But it's a small, very small paper notebook. He keeps it in his back pocket. Very rarely is he ever seen without it. It's awesome to see during a meeting or even a casual conversation. Pop open the notebook, find something to write, quick jot it down, no problem. It's really, really cool. The other thing along with the notebook is to carry a sturdy pen, something you can sit on, something that won't break. This one happens to be a Papermate. Easy, simple, cheap. If you do break it, not that big of a deal. Don't dry it. Don't put it in the washer. And those are the 3 tips. Start small, make a commitment, and carry your journal everywhere. I'd like to hear more from you. If you find anything in this video that was helpful, please write helpful in the comments. If not, then write unhelpful. Either way, I would appreciate the engagement. I'm always looking for reasons to improve. Also, if you do like this content, please subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications. And finally, I do want to get to know you a little better. You can find Instagram, Facebook, and other links in the description below. Okay, see you next time.